This week could be a test for former President Trump's legal team and for the Department of Justice investigating of his handling of presidential records.
Yeah, the DOJ has until Thursday to submit a redacted version of the search affidavit that led to the FBI search of Trump's Florida home. Skylar Henry reports from Washington.
This week, lawyers for former President Donald Trump plan to ask a judge to appoint a neutral party to review and possibly return evidence collected during the FBI's search. Sources tell CBS News Trump took about 24 boxes of material to Florida instead of giving them to the National Archives. Agents seized 11 sets of classified documents, 4 sets labeled top secret. Months earlier, a Trump lawyer signed a document stating that all such material had all been returned to the government.
When documents have those markings, it generally indicates that the source of information is very sensitive.
Monday, a Florida judge further explained his position, ordering the Justice Department to submit to him a redacted version of the search affidavit by Thursday, writing, particularly given the intense public and historical interest in an unprecedented search of a former president's residence, the government has not yet shown that these administrative concerns are sufficient to justify sealing. The judge will then consider whether to release that redacted version.
What's important about this affidavit is it will give us the information to understand how did the FBI justify raiding Mar-a-Lago and spending 9 hours in the president's house.
Another investigation involving the former president, the Georgia election probe. Sunday, a federal appeals court postponed South Carolina Senator Lindsey Graham's grand jury testimony, sending the case back to the trial court to determine if the subpoena for his testimony should be modified because of protections in the Constitution granted to Congress members regarding their legislative activity.
There is no doubt in my mind that the most risk to the former president is, in fact, the Georgia investigation.
For his part, Trump is looking forward, already teasing a 2024 run on his social media site. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Washington.